Following analysis The following analysis is based on the guidelines for inquiries regarding the regulatory framework for in detail coin offering ICOs used by FINMA. FINMA categories tokens into three categories based on their underlying economic functions. Payment tokens, which are intended to be used now or in the future as a mean of payment for acquiring good or service, or as a mean of money or wire transfer. Cryptocurrencies give rise to on claim on their user. Liquidity tokens which are intended to provide access digitally to an application or service by meaning of a blockchain-based infrastructure. As Assast token represent assets which such as a debt or liquidity claim on the user. The, in terms of their economic functions, therefore these tokens are analogous to equities, bonds and derivatives. Tokens which enable physical assets to be traded on the blockchain also fall into this category. The token may fall within more than one category. Assets and liquidity tokens can also have characteristics of payment tokens. Such hybrid tokens would be subject to the requirement of both categories. ICO are subject to regulations based on whether the token on offer the classified as securities based on definitions in the Financial Market Infrastructure Act. Standardized certificated or uncertificated securities, derivatives and intermediate securities which are suitable for mass trading. In order to be suitable for mass trading, securities must be policy offered for sale in the same structure and demonstration or are placed with more than 20 cylinders in so far as they have not been created specifically for individual counterparties. Derivatives are defined as functional contract whose value depending on one or several underlying assets and which are not cash transactions. Although tokens are not classified as certificate securities, certain types of tokens can be classified as uncertificated securities, derivatives, or intermediaries securities. If your token are classified as such, then they are subject to regulation under financial market law. Payment tokens are not considered as securities since their functions is one of payment and they do not have any characteristics pretending to traditional securities.